trick to renew your burnt pots, pan, stove, and more. To start this tip today, we will use a soap to facilitate the preparation. We will also use a grater to grate the soap completely. I'm sure you'll thank me for this tip. Once the soap is at this point, let's put it completely in a pan. This mixture is indicated for the total cleaning of your dishes, mainly for the removal of burn stains and fat from the pots. Ideal for this mixture is also the detergent. Here we will use half a cup of detergent, being one of the main items for cleaning, mainly for its action against fat. Then we will also use washing powder. The ideal amount for use is also half a cup. To facilitate the dilution of the ingredients, I will also use a cup of water now. We will leave to low heat until it has melted completely. For this tip, one of the main items is the lime. We will use only 3 to facilitate. We will cut in the middle. Next, we will also use a juicer to completely remove the liquid from the lime. If you prefer, you can even use your hands. Meanwhile, the soap is practically melted completely, and the ideal is always to mix well. Now add the lime juice and mix well again until you have lowered the foam. Then we will also add the shells that remain are ideal, mainly for all the acidity contained. It is essential to help remove the stains from the pots. Let's mix well, and then add the last ingredient. The ideal is only the use of a tablespoon of baking soda, being one of the main items for its alkaline effect. With this, we will mix one last time, and then our tip will be ready for use. To finish the preparation, we should just put all the mixture in a container until it hardens. If you prefer, you can even put it in the refrigerator to speed up the process. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Charlene Guptail. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips for pots. All stains come out easily, only with the sponge, if you prefer. And to make faster the removal of dirt, you can even use a steel sponge. I'm sure you'll thank me for using this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.